Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok app, and this is the short video tutorial how to find drafts on TikTok. So if you know that you created some videos and you save them into the drafts section, so you can smoothly get access to them by tapping on the TikTok application. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and now we will show you how to find all of your drafts. So let's pick on the first icon, and as you can see, this icon has the special inscription like drafts. So let's tap on it one time, and now you can find all of your saved videos here. Let's pick on it one time to smoothly manage. But of course, if you want to know how to create drafts, how to manage them, how to edit, or for example, how to delete drafts video, so let's follow to our YouTube channel and check all of our tutorials to find out more about the TikTok app. It was a very short tutorial, and I hope that you like it. So don't forget about the special likes button at the bottom. So bye guys!